What if someday you could spend less time solving production machinery problems and more time improving productivity? What if you could one day find a way to virtually eliminate unscheduled downtime and quality problems for oil rigs, energy grids, or heavy equipment machinery by anticipating maintenance and quality needs? That day is here. Introducing IBM Predictive Maintenance and Quality, a pre-configured software product that brings business insights to your desk, your iPad, or wherever you are in the field. This solution combines data integration and advanced analytics, along with templates that are easy to customize, so you can accelerate the time to value. It combines and records various types of information and proactively detects failure patterns. The product sends those insights and optimized recommended decisions directly to decision makers to help keep your enterprise up and running quickly. In short, now you can fix things before they're broken. Let's take a look at how this works. The easy-to-understand, real-time, interactive dashboards and reports allow you to quickly get different views and drill into information, so when something changes, you immediately know about it. The process first starts with the data. Due to its open architecture, it can handle different data sources and types of data, structured, unstructured, or streaming. While a great deal of complicated data manipulation and analysis is going on, the user only sees a clean, simple interface. Embedded message flows and configurators in the product allow for real-time connections of the data. In the event you want to add another asset or information source, you can quickly, easily, and safely include that master data information to your existing information with no complicated programming. Next, the information is orchestrated in a uniform way and aggregated into a centralized data analytics store. Within the data store, powerful IBM software runs the necessary analytics, whether descriptive, predictive, prescriptive, or all three. Certain key performance indicators are pre-calculated and saved for future needs on a real-time basis. These predictive insights become prescriptive actions that can be routed in a variety of ways. It can be sent to a production line computer, delivered as an email, streamed to a mobile device, or even sent back to an enterprise asset management system, such as IBM Maximo, for more analysis. This happens in real time, so you can monitor how things are going, even predict what will happen next. And the real genius of the solution is delivering exactly the actions you need to take to resolve issues before they escalate into costly downtime or affect product quality. Learn how IBM Predictive Maintenance and Quality can help you spot problems before they cause damage by making critical decisions faster and more accurately.